Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Flinks Financial Data API Review My Usage Experience. Flinks Financial Data API Review My Usage Experience offers a secure and reliable API for accessing users' financial data. Its main purpose is to provide businesses with a streamlined way to integrate financial information into their applications, targeting developers and companies needing financial data for things like loan applications, credit scoring, and budgeting tools. Key features include secure data access, various data points including transaction history and account balances, and compliance with relevant financial regulations. Their website provides details on specific data points and security protocols. Flinks positions itself as a secure and efficient solution for handling financial data. They highlight ease of integration, claiming a straightforward API and comprehensive documentation. Their website emphasizes pricing transparency, although specific details aren't publicly available on their homepage and are likely quote-based. They leverage secure data transfer methods and comply with relevant data privacy regulations. Availability is global, but potential users should check their website for specific country coverage. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Flinks Financial Data API Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The documentation was clear and concise, and I was able to set up my API key and initiate my first data request within about 30 minutes. Navigating the API itself was pretty intuitive. The endpoints were well-defined, and the response data was well-structured and easy to parse. I specifically used it to pull transaction history for a budgeting app I'm building, and the quality of the data was excellent. The API was reliable and consistently delivered results within a few seconds. I had a quick question about a specific data field, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email. I was really impressed by how comprehensive the available data points were. One minor drawback was the learning curve involved in understanding the nuances of the authentication process, which required some initial experimentation. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Flinks. It's a powerful tool for developers needing secure and reliable access to financial data. The efficiency and quality of data far outweigh the minor initial hurdles. That's my overview of Flinks Financial Data API Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.